go out here now, go see what's going on around the back here. Wow. Oh my God. Boy, they say there's always a calm before the storm, and it is so true. Everything is so still, so damn quiet, except my washing machine. Lord have mercy. And I see some beautiful mangoes on the ground, but I am not going to fool around with the ones on the ground at all. I saw a frog in the yard the other day, and so I don't know. On this one, it's firm and nice. You say, oh my God, it's a sin. No, I can't throw it a frog or a frog. No, I'm definitely gonna have to just wash it off with some Dettol or something. Oh my gosh. Soap it up and put a little Dettol. Peel it too. Oh, okay. That's what I can do. Peel it. This one is no good. This one drop and burst up. Lucky for me, I have the lower part of my yard. I can just toss them down there. I hate when them drop and burst up. This one is not good. This one looks like it have worms. Yeah. Need to spray the bloody tree. See how much on the ground? A lot of them on the ground. This one, this one is no good either. See? I know something must bite it. Well, this is what the lower part of my yard looks like, you guys. See, I have another banana tree down there, but see how deep it is? Yep. That's all mine. But it's deep. Very deep. We go down there and clean it out, chop it out. Right now it's pretty decent. And I put my ladders around here. Oh gosh. Boy. And my water tank is good. The hurricane is ready. Yep, full to the brim. It's not attached to the house, but see, I have a pipe right here. So all I have to do is just turn on the pipe. Just check this out. And you see water coming out? Yeah. So, in case of an emergency and I need some fresh, clean water, I can just bring something around here, a pot or something, and just catch some water. Take it in the house, boil it, cook with it, do whatever. Somebody suggested, why don't you put a hammock back here? No. Lizards. Lizards, you guys. That's my next door neighbors. But, look at my mango tree. This is my black mango tree. I swear to God, this mango tree is over 100 years old. It is humongous. And my chain link man, years ago, years before Mom died, was about 20 years ago. Look how the man anchored the damn tree on the fence. Anchor the fence on the tree. Boy, I'm telling you. Just horrible. But round here, hurricane don't even start yet, and look at the leaves. And the yard was done like what? A week and a half ago, going on a week and a half. Not quite a week and a half yet. Oh my gosh. Saturday going to make it 2 weeks. And look at the leaves. But I'm not lifting a finger until after the hurricane, because that is going to be the real work. And then now I have to call my guy now to come do some work. All right. Let me grab my stick right here. I see a nice ripe one on the tree that I am going to pick. I know for sure not to crawl over it. Wait a minute. Come out. See it? See it up there? See it? Let me see if you can see it. All right, see where the stick is going? Here it comes. Yay! Yeah. Let me see if I see any more. Them enough on the tree. The black one's not dropping yet because I guess they're not ready yet. They're still young. Yeah. This one I just picked and it's hot like fire, see? Hot like fire. Smells so nice, oh my gosh. Alright. So that's it for that. And somehow today, the day, it feels so good. It feels right. And I'm just not worried. I'm just, matter of fact, I'm getting a feeling that the hurricane is not coming. It's so sunny and beautiful. Look at all my ginger lilies, you guys. All my ginger lilies in my backyard. Yeah. To get this damn hose out of the way. I washed down the place the other day. Yeah. See, down in the lower part of my yard. This ackee tree needs trimming too. Oh boy. Yep. This is my bench, but it's getting old right here. Right here is starting to rust. Maybe I need to call a welding man to come in and weld it up and then we paint it back or something. Or something. See on this side here, you guys, here I have another beautiful aloe plant. And some baby aloes right here. Another big beautiful aloe plant right in there. You see it? Lovely here. Look at my palm tree right here. This one is so beautiful, isn't it? Lovely palm. You see, I have some baby ones. I'm going to take out these and transfer them elsewhere in the yard. Yeah. Because it's going to be too big to grow right there at the edge. Yeah. See, I have another aloe right here again too. Beautiful aloe. I love these aloes, you know, they're good. Sometimes you need a laxative, you don't have to go buy commercial ones. You just go pick an aloe leaf. It's slimy though, but it's odorless and it have no taste. It's my veranda here, and I'm going to have to take these chairs inside, push up all the plants together, take the plants off the stand, roll up my awnings. Boy, hurricane and enough working, man. Hurricane is work. You have to take it off the stand right there. Oh, jeez. You have to roll up all them awnings here because the wind. I get to understand that. What I get to understand, you guys, is that this thing now gone to a category 5. See the trees? Look at the awning. But I'm scared. See the trees? Look at the awning. But I'm scared. Yeah, folks, so this is what the yard looks like now, a real mess. Just leaves. Leaves. As you can see, the window is boarded up because there's a big glass window there to the front. Awning is rolled up. Those awnings are down, but they're pretty safe. Leaves. No major damage to house or anything of the sort, thank God. God is good. So now we're going to the back to see what happened back here. Okay. And as per usual, leaves. My banana tree is down. See, my banana tree is down. Okay. And as per usual, leaves. My banana tree is down. See, my banana tree is down. So that's basically it. No major damages. Like I said, God is good. God don't give you more than you can bear. You know. And yeah. So this is it. Everything is still intact. That's my solar light, but it's not charging good, so you know, because well, yesterday we had sun, but I don't think it charged up too much because the backyard wasn't that bright. So yeah, this is it. So everything is still intact. Yep. So Beryl is gone. We're expecting a wave, a tropical wave. Let's see what that will bring. And a palm branch from somewhere ended up in front of my yard right there. 2 days after the so-called hurricane. Yeah. 2 days after the so-called hurricane. And the yard is looking decent so far.